Isaac, I baptize you in the name of the Father and of the white garment.
Sabi ko na scam to eh. Sheesh.
Thank you po.
Dito na ako nagpipigil umiyak. Sheesh! Balikan natin to mamaya.